organization chart. So this is a good evidence to understand the roles and responsibility of project management team. Review quality plans and audit programs for the project and contractor. So project quality audit plan has been developed and approved. Plan is being implemented as per necessary requirements and as per audit programs, and audits have been conducted. Non-conformances were generated during the audit plan and closed accordingly, that we have seen. And we have not identified any major concerns during the quality audit, which may impact the construction of the project package.
But where is the audit report? It is only plan we are saying. Where is the audit report? We have done any audit officially, Najmuddin?
Yeah, we have done, I think, not less than 3 audits officially for different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have done some audits, right? So
Yeah.
we have provided audit reports to them. Question. Vimal, provide audit report numbers, okay? Quality audits, whatever you have done.
Okay.
Vimal, don't worry, I'm highlighting it here with XXX. So after the workshop, I will send you the list with XXX and you can provide me the number and then I will update.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So going forward, review project internal controls and procedures related to the inspection, testing, material control, confirm that they provide assurance that construction, fabrication, installation, and material management activities are being performed in accordance with the design. Yes, so the project has got the ITP and related documents are approved, and the same has been implemented during the construction. I can say it's not fabrication, during the construction activity. Third party is involved for the inspection of the material of the construction